Hello ladies, how are we doing today? You're super welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're reviewing this beauty. I would say one of my favorite ones so far, foundations. This is Fit Me Matte and Poreless from Maybelline. Now this foundation, I found it 6 months ago, and it's the game changer so far for my skin. And I'm telling you right now, according to the shade that you love the most, it will work completely. Now this shade, okay, it's 125 nude beige nude, and I'm telling you the color, I'm trying to keep the tone of my skin and making sure that it combines perfectly. As you must know, we're gonna cover anything, any type of pores, any type of spots that you really need to cover, that redness that you need to cover also. And what we're looking for here again is try to cover everything. This foundation, like I said again, it will cover from your forehead. We want to cover those dark circles under my eyes. Now I want to make sure that I'm covering my chin also, and this color works perfectly, okay? And this is the idea again, that all the pores can be covered completely under my eyes. I'm trying to make sure that the foundation is well put, and as you can see, everything is getting covered. I've had so much redness, as you could see, and again the dark circles that they won't help, but now this foundation is covering completely and perfectly, I would say. Now notice the color again, the shade that I chose. It's amazing how it covers. I really love it. This color is just perfect. The shade goes perfectly well. It's covered. I do recommend this product and I give it 5 stars. I'm telling you, 5 stars. The matte, the tone of the matte, and the fact that it's covering everything as it should, that makes the whole difference. This is one of the best options from Maybelline so far. Totally recommended. And again, this was 125 nude beige nude, and you can choose the shade that you love.